What's up, everyone? Mitchell J, the Scaredy Cat Guide, and the question is Bitcoin, will it or won't it? Descending channel, we've talked about this before. We are testing it right now. The daily green candle, well, I should say the daily candle is green, and that daily candle closes in about 20 minutes from the time of this video. Again, it's UTC time, it's 24/7. So unless we sell off in the next 20 minutes, it looks like we're going to poke right through this descending channel, at least a tiny bit. So what's different about this instance as opposed to the prior ones is that this time we're not coming off a low to come test the top of the channel. So, if you look at the chart, we were at lows, bounced, hit its head, came down, again, lows, made a run up to the top, reversal candle failed, but this time we got a little bit of little pullback, and now we're making a run at it again. So that's actually that's more positive. That's more positive price action. The bottom line is this right here now is a little bottom, and it's a higher low, which is what you want to see. So it's just like we had a low, now we have another low. Higher lows essentially what create an uptrend. So we will see what happens. It could, run out of gas here. I mean, it could even just like go sideways and still be indecisive. But we'd like to see a push. I mean, ideally, we need to get above these prior highs. So, like, it needs to be above 11.2 and then essentially these highs. So, clocking in around 12K would be best case scenario. So, if we can get any kind of good move, that would be awesome. So, we'll see what happens. Right now, again, like I said, it is trying to poke through this descending channel that it's been stuck in since December of 2017. And if it can get out of there, that would be positive. If not, we'll continue to fight our way, in this developing triangle, which I talked about in a prior video. We got the long-term downtrend, the long-term uptrend, and then this descending channel. This has become essentially a downtrend line. So you see, boom, boom, and tightens up, tightens up. And what's good about that is when it breaks out, hopefully that will pick the volatility back up in that we will be in, not in such a tight range. We'll be able to trade a wider range again. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, so Bitcoin is at a pivot point. So the question is it going to jump the line or not? We shall see what happens over the next couple days. But that's really it for now, so keep an eye out on that. That's really just what the scenario is now. Are we going to break out of this channel / triangle, or are we going to continue to fight our way in here until it comes to an apex? So we shall see, but yeah, let's target push through the descending channel, get above 11.2, get to 12. Those are kind of the upsides we need to see. Obviously, downside, well, we definitely want to hold this little low we made at 9,400. So keep an eye on that on the downside. Obviously, if we don't hold that, that just takes us back down into possibly testing the 200-day or the uptrend line here. So those are our price points, and we can keep an eye out for those and see what happens. So I will see you on the next video.